Hey, my name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Premium Lace Wigs for sending me over this wig today and sponsoring this video. They sent me over a showstopper, okay? This wig has swept me off my feet, okay? She is gorgeous, okay? She is gorgeous. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will leave that here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig, y'all. We have some lashes, bobby pins, wig caps, comb, and you get a nice little brochure. All right, and here is the wig. Ooh, she is gorgeous. This hair is 200% density. Yes, so this is a 30 highlighted wig, so it's a 1B, and then it has some 30 highlights in it, which are my favorites. They look so good. This is a 24-inch. It's body wave. This is a 5x5 closure wig. This is what the lace is looking like. It looks pretty good. It does look like the roots are bleached, so we do have bleached knots. Love a subtle highlight like this. This is just everything to me. But let me just tell you right now, this hair feels so luscious, thick, and full. Let's get a close-up on the ends, and you can see the highlights go all the way to the ends. I'm actually very, very excited about this, and this is a 5x5 closure, so this is about to be nice and easy and simple. They also have this little cute like tagging, this branding they have here. Oh, and so this little card right here has all the information on it. So it is 100% Chinese virgin hair, 24 inches, body wave. The highlight is 1B30. The cap size, or the cap of my choosing, is 5x5 lace wig. It's 200% density. The lace color is transparent. Elastic band, yes, and the cap size is medium, 22.5 inches. So yeah, it has all the information on that. That is beautiful. And it also has wig instructions here as well. So if you're a beginner, listen, they're not about to leave you hanging, okay? We got instructions, yes. So I'm just go ahead and pop that off there. This wig feels so, you guys. So you do have a adjustable band. You have 4 combs, left, right, top, and bottom. And then you have your adjustable straps at the bottom as well. So constructed very well. Lots and lots of parting space. Look at all this parting. Love that. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and install this real quick, and then I will come back with my final thoughts, you guys. I'm keeping her. Guys, so I zoomed all the way out so you guys can see this hair in its fullest, all the way to the ends. It is so gorgeous. These highlights are everything. If you're just like a girly girl that loves to wear dark hair, you always wear jet black or one beat all the time, and you're like, oh, you know what, I want to venture out in like a little bit of color, I want to do a little bit of, this is it. These highlights are so classy and just like camouflage. They go so freaking well with this hair. I absolutely love it. Can we get into the lace? This HD lace, all I did was use my foundation brush, and I didn't even put more foundation on it. I just used the Access foundation that was already on the brush and just dabbed it on here. And excuse me, no baby hairs needed, okay? Absolutely not. Okay, so I did put a little layer in here from my face, just one little layer I just chopped down just to frame my face just a little bit. This hair is just so luxurious, you guys. Look at, this is a vacation wig. If you don't mind curling your hair up a couple of times, you know, because it only took me maybe like 15-20 minutes to curl this hair with my wand. I just used my pink little wand curl. I love how the curls just give you like this nice little loose wave. I love that. But yes, this is definitely giving vacation hair. This is giving date night hair. It's just so luxe. It is so luxe, you guys. Highly, highly recommend. This Chinese blend is giving it to me. Look at this. She looks, look, I cannot lie about this. Not at all. If you don't believe me, look with your eyes, honey. Look with your eyes, honey. Yes, let's go over this one more time. This is a 24 inch, is very long, okay? So it's 24 inches. It's a 5x5 HD closure wig. 1B with the number 30 highlights. In body wave with a Chinese origin is the type of hair. So yes, this hair is everything, okay? Make sure you guys check out Premium Lace Wigs. This is my first time working with them, and it's a absolute thumbs up. Thumbs up. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig and all the other wigs. Check them out. This one is gorgeous. Look at this lace. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.